this way. Say, Madeline's home sick today. Say, Madeline's home sick today. Can't you tell? That's right. We're at the doctor. We're sick. Yep. Mommy had to take out of work because Madeline's sick today. Madeline. Madeline. Madeline, are you sick today? Are you sick today, Madeline? Madeline. Hey, are you sick baby today?